What's up everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Elsa Chinyari and this is Do Life with Me. To my newcomers, karibuni sana. To my gang, it's always a pleasure to have you guys. So on today's video, today I'm going to show you how I wax at home. And guys, waxing is really important because it really delays your hair growth. Waxing takes about 6 to 8 weeks before the hair has grown. So compared to razors take 3 to 4 weeks. You know, that's really fast. So we just want our hair not to grow that fast, you know. So I know
Hey y'all, come look at this.
I know my I know some of you might feel disgusted. My hair has really grown.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
I did let my hair grow so that for the sake of this video, so that I can show you that my waxing method really works. Okay, so here is my armpit. As you can see, my hair has really grown. It's never like that. This is wax, and wax is really important because it helps you clear the dark armpit that normally we suffer from, and the small bumps that we have after shaving. Wax is the best. Waxing is the best. So let's get into I'm going to show you how I make the wax at home, how I prep my armpits, and how we are going to actually wax. So if you want to see all that, stick around, subscribe, put on the notification bell, and let's get right into the video. So guys, now we are going to prep our armpit, and you need, in here, I don't know if you can see, I just have a little amount of sugar and lemon. So what you'll do, your armpit first must be clean. Make sure it's clean. Then take a little bit of that mixture and scrub it. We are removing the dead skin, so that you know, when we wax, we are opening the pores, so we don't want bacteria and germs getting into our armpit. That's what causes the dark armpit and the small bumps that we have. So we really have to be careful. The same way we prep our face ready for masking and all that skincare routine, it's the same way we should also prep our armpit for waxing. Okay, so scrub in a circular motion like that. Lemon, it helps in bleaching, so when you do this every time you wax, it will really help with the dark armpit. So you just do that. After that, we are going to wipe off with a damp towel, warm water, and our armpit is ready for waxing. Okay, so before that, if you have baking soda, you can use baking soda. If you have lemon, turmeric, all that, I'll list them down what you can use instead of lemon and sugar. Then here is my shea butter, or you can just do Vaseline or any other oil that you have. Just apply that like so. Make sure your armpit is moisturized like that. Then after moisturizing our armpit, we need powder. Powder is very, very, very important. You need powder. Just apply that. Like that. So guys, after prepping our armpit, you cannot wax without the waxing strips. So you can buy them in the shop, but I decided to make mine at home. And what I just used my carrier bag, the normal carrier bags we have here in Kenya, the reusable ones. You just clean them, dry them, then cut them to such shapes like this. You just cut them. Get scissors, cut your reusable bag like that. It's so easy, guys. You don't have to spend money on waxing strips. We are using everything affordable, everything that's right, everything that is lying on your kitchen counter, you see, like that. Then after that, what we do, so guys, here's our homemade wax. You need the wax and a spatula. This is my spatula. So what we do, just get a little bit of that. Then what you do, you apply against how your hair grows. So like your hair grows from this side going this side, so we are applying against like that. Just enough, not too much. Like that. We are working one section at a time. So take your waxing strip, put it like that, and rub it. You have to rub it so well. If you don't, you'll get nothing out of the waxing. So like that. Then now the moment we have been waiting for. Is here. Oh my god. Now it's time to remove. The last section. And it's done. You see? As simple as that, guys. nearly done with our waxing. Now I'm going to do the other part. Okay, see. So guys, we are applying the on the other armpit like that. Make sure you capture everything. See. Then take your strip like that. Like that. Like that. Then pull it down. See? Yote imetoka. So for the part that you see you still have hair, you just go like that. Like that. So we are clearing, guys. That our armpit is all cleaned up, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Fresh and clean. Now after waxing, what you do is you dump your towel in warm water and wipe it off. You're just cleaning like that. Very clean, guys, very clean and very easy. See, like that. So you don't apply any deodorant on your armpit after shaving, because hey, you don't want to try that. So what you do, I'm applying you can apply your moisturizer, your Vaseline, your shea butter, but for me I'm doing Vaseline. Yeah, Vaseline. Just apply it like that, and you are all good. Your armpit is now clean, no hair for the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. 6 to 8 weeks. So guys, here is our wax, which I showed you how to make. But if you can't make it yourself, just comment down below. I'll be honored to make this for you at a very low price, and I'll deliver it to you. Okay, as long as you're in Nairobi, I will deliver it to you. Okay, so this wax, you can store it in the fridge for like 3 months. It doesn't spoil. When it hardens, you just put it in the microwave and it will soften. But if you don't have a microwave, just put water in a sufuria, put your wax inside, and it will soften. Okay, so you can use this for like in the next 3 months, and you just use a little amount. You remember I showed you how you can the other wax, you can use this. Okay, not the one that you are using to wax. You can separate it in a separate bowl and use that mixture to make tea. Just put that mixture. It already has sugar, it has lemon. You just put your hot water and have yourself lemon tea. Okay, so guys, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to like, to comment, and tell me how this video was, and tell me what you want me to do next, and I'll be so honored to do that. Okay, so guys, I'll see you next time in my next vlog. Bye.